Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make one of the most beautiful and easy decorative stitches, chain stitch. To make this kind of stitch you need a small piece of fabric and a threaded needle. Next I'm going to create a line for the stitch with my pencil and a ruler. And with this I'll be using my threaded needle, insert it into the piece of fabric and form a small loop just like this. So ensure that the loop is firm and in position just like this. Ensure that the loop is in position. Then you pass your needle under the fabric, pass it into the fabric. You pass the threaded needle into the fabric to secure the loop. Ensure that the loop is in position before you pass the threaded needle to secure it. Okay, just like this. Carefully bring out your threaded needle and then you continue forming loop. Form more loops and pass your threaded needle. Take the threaded needle backward into the fabric and carefully bring it out. Form the loop. So this is my loop now. Okay, and then I'm going to pass my threaded needle to secure the loop just like this. So you can see it's very easy, it's very simple to make. So this is what you would you continue it. You just keep forming the loop. You can use one hand to hold the loop in position while you form the loop. Okay, so you keep doing that until it gets to the end of the line that you have created that you want it to stay on. So this is a curved edge, so I'm just going to carefully take my loop and curve it to the side I want it to stay. So this is how you do it, and then you pass the threaded needle back into the fabric carefully, and then you bring it into the loop just to secure it. Ensure that it is on a straight ensure that it is on a straight line or the design that you want it to be. Just follow through the design carefully just like this. So you secure the loop with your needle. So this is how to make the chain stitch. It's very simple and it's very easy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next decorative stitches. Alright, so as you can see now, I am almost done with the line I want the stitch to be. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to secure the last loop, take it to the back and tie it so that it will be firm and will not lose easily. So you just take the threaded needle. This is the front, so this is the front now. So we are going to take the needle to the back and tie it. Yes, so tie it at the back. How do you tie it? You form a loop. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Tell me in the comment section what stitch you would like to learn in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. And happy stitching. Bye for now.